In this video, I'll show you how to download Microsoft Office for free using the official and legal method. Open up Chrome and search config.office.com. Press enter. Official Microsoft site. Scroll down. Create a new configuration. Site create. Architecture, set this to 64-bit. Office suites. Click on the drop down and select this Professional Plus 2024 volume license, and then scroll down. In apps, you can turn on the apps you want. I'm going to turn on only few: Outlook, Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. And then scroll down, expand the language, select language, select this to English. So you selected the English, select export, select Office Open XML formats and select OK. Accept and select export. Once this export done, open up new tab and search Office Deployment Tool. Select the first official tool. Select the download. Once download done, you need to click on the application and select yes. Continue. Select the location where you want to save. Select the downloads and select OK. And now navigate to downloads. Create a new folder in the downloads folder and name it as Office. Press enter. Select the configuration and setup. Drag and drop inside the Office. Open the Office and copy this file path to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select Run as administrator. Select yes option. Type here CD space, paste the path using Ctrl V and press enter. Type setup.exe space slash configure space configuration dot xml, then press enter. You need to wait for a while to get this done. Now the installation has done. Office apps are installed on your computer. Close stuff here. You can search for those apps you added. In my case, I installed Word. It's coming up. Search Excel. To show you guys it's working, just click on the app and you get this message: accept the license agreement. Select accept option and close stuff here. You can work, just type whatever you want. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.